Hi guys! Good morning! This is Joy of Joy and Joy channel. Kung bago kayo sa channel namin, please consider na mag-subscribe and click the notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang mga pinablog namin dito. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng paper airplane. So please watch! Ang first step ko sa paggawa ng airplane ay fold niyo ito like may guide lang kayo, and then fold this like this, and then on the other side, number 2 step, fold it like this, and then fold it again like that. Like that, and then here cut this, and then cut this like this, and then fold it like that. Fold it at the center and fold it to here, and then another side, fold it to here. So now I have a paper airplane. I hope natutunan nyo kung paano gumawa ng paper airplane. So, see you on my next video. Bye!
Ito na yung airplane ni Joy. Tingnan natin kung lilipad.
Wow!